Out what exactly the view is on the index and what are some of the top trading ideas to watch out for. Kunal Bothra is right here with us in our studios, and we've also got Nooresh Merani joining in. Kunal, let's get in a sense from you. Yesterday we closed close to that low of the trading session, snapping that 3-day gaining streak, and a lot of the heavyweights felt the heat like RIL and HDFC Bank. What do you make of it?
Good morning, Avan. Since the last couple of days have been maintaining a sell on the Nifty because most of the indicators on the chart, specifically on the daily front, they've actually entered into negative territory. So, our analysis generally indicates that indicators are the first ones which tend to give signs of weakness, strength on the indices. And when that happens, we expect the prices to get into a reversal. Now, there are two things which happened yesterday. The Nifty managed to close below the 90,400 mark, which again reinstates the fact that we could be in for correction on the index. The other way to look out for is 19,600, which had been a resistance of sorts. We failed to cross over those levels on the Nifty yesterday. So we opened high. We made a high of I think 19,580, 584 on the Nifty spot, and then we managed to fall 150-60 points on the Nifty to close sub the 19,400 levels. The third and the most important part is the Nifty is now on the verge of breaking its 50-day moving average. This again is a very, very important sign. We've seen historically in 2022 end and even prior to that many occasions that when the index has fallen and closed below the 50-day moving average, we've seen additional pressure coming back into the indices. So net would maintain that bearish stance on the Nifty, at least from a very short-term play.
Right. Okay. Nooresh, hi, morning. Well, seemed like just a one-day wonder. The recovery Nifty Bank fell again yesterday. What levels are you monitoring here now?
So the Bank Nifty in comparison to Nifty has fallen a lot more from the top. We saw decent enough recovery. It topped out around that 45,000 mark, which was the target in the near term. And from that, we are correcting. 43,500 to 43,800 remains the major trend change level. So for now, today, for the day, 44,200 is what I would be watching out for. Same way on the Nifty, 19,250 to 19,300 is the band. And more importantly, going into next week on Monday, will we see some bit of a trend confirmation after US market reaction today to Jackson Hole. So for now, the view remains if you get stopped out today at 19,300 on the Nifty, go with a lighter position on the index. Wait for a fresh trend from Monday.